Meaning of fisheye lens.
Fisheye lens.
Fisheye lens.
Fisheye lens.
Fisheye lens. A fisheye lens is an ultra-wide-angle lens that creates a hemispherical image with strong visual distortion. The lens is named for its ability to capture scenes in a way that resembles the view through a fish's eye. The images produced by a fisheye lens appear curved or rounded at the edges, and straight lines can appear bent or distorted. The result is a unique and creative perspective that can add drama and interest to photographs or videos. Fisheye lenses are commonly used in photography, cinematography, and virtual reality applications.